All right, so we're just going to finish up this question real quick. As I was saying before, this has a run of 20 because the whole graph is 10 by 10, so it'd be 10 plus 10 is 20. And in that same logic, the rise of our slope is going to be 10 because the y goes from 10 to negative 10. So right in the middle there would be 0. So 0 to 10 is 10. So our slope here is going to be rise of 10 over the run of 20. And we can clearly see that's going to be a negative slope, right? And our estimate for our b is going to be positive 5. But we want to make sure we really are absolutely positive about that. So let's reduce our slope. If you can't do it by hand, like I said, I want you guys to practice how to do it by hand. But if that's not part of something that you're comfortable with, that's okay. We can do it on a calculator, and that way our big brains can focus on big ideas rather than little things that we can practice and get better at as we go on. So our slope is negative 1/2. Remember, we can always just put that in front of the x right away. We know that's where the m goes. And then we're going to make our slope triangle so that we can get the actual slope. So negative 1/2 means goes down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Okay, so our estimate was correct. Again, there's so many different ways to approach these problems. I don't want to stifle your creativity, but this was just my strategy for doing these problems. So I hope that you have some fun doing your last two problems that you need to put into your Schoology quiz in order to get credit for this homework assignment. And then I will see you in class this week. I'm looking forward to it. Bye.